Chime Credit Builder doesn't increase like a normal credit limit, because your spending power is tied directly to how much money you move into the secured credit builder account from your Chime checking balance. By the end of this, you'll know why your limit feels stuck, how the spending amount actually works inside Chime, and the exact steps to increase how much you can spend each month. The first thing to understand is that there is no traditional credit limit increase button for Credit Builder. Your spending limit is based on the money you transfer into the Credit Builder secured account. If you move $200 in, your usable spending power is $200. If you move $1,000 in, your spending power becomes $1,000. That's the core system. This is why most people feel like their limit is low or not increasing. They are expecting a credit line increase, but Chime doesn't operate that way. It only reflects how much cash you've allocated from your checking account into the secured balance. The only real way to increase spending power is to increase the amount you consistently move into Credit Builder. That starts with your income flow. If your paycheck hits your Chime checking account, you can decide how much of it gets allocated into Credit Builder before you spend anything else. The more you allocate, the higher your spending capacity becomes. Another factor that affects usability is timing. Transfers are not always instant, and if money is still in your checking account instead of your Credit Builder balance, it won't count toward your spending power. This is a common reason people think their limit hasn't increased even after adding funds. There's also a behavior element that matters indirectly. Chime looks at how consistently you use the card and whether you pay off your balance on time. While this doesn't directly raise your spending limit like a traditional credit card, it helps your overall profile stay healthy, which can matter if you're later moved to other Chime products. If your goal is to increase spending capacity quickly, the process is simple. First, increase the amount you transfer into Credit Builder each month. Second, make sure those transfers are completed before you try to spend. Third, keep usage consistent so your account history stays clean and predictable. To sum it up, Credit Builder's spending power is controlled by your transferred balance, not a credit line increase. It only grows when you allocate more money into the secured account, and consistency helps your account stay in good standing. The next step is to review your Chime transfers and set a fixed percentage of each deposit to automatically move into Credit Builder. That is the most reliable way to increase spending power over time. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit building tools and banking features.